Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to record a screen on Windows. Let's dive right in. Open whatever app or program you want to record on your screen. For the sake of this tutorial, we're recording a video of Google Chrome. The Win+G keyboard shortcut instantly opens the Xbox Game Bar tool. Press the record button in the top left of the Xbox Game Bar. It's the one that looks like a white circle. If your device has a built-in microphone or is connected to one, you can also capture mic audio. To record your mic audio, just make sure to uncheck the mic icon, which is located next to the recording button, as well as on the capture status bar that will appear once you start recording. Mic audio is muted by default, so make sure you don't forget to switch it on if required. Once you've recorded everything you need, just hit the blue stop button on the capture status bar, and your recording will end. The stop button can also be found on the capture tab as well. If the interface has disappeared, just press Windows+G to bring the Xbox Game Bar back up. Once you've created your recording, locating the file is super simple. Each recording you make will be automatically stored by Windows in a file labeled Captures, which can be found in the Videos section of your file manager. From here, you can rename the files. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.